Hello viewers, hello everyone. Happy Mother's Day for all my friends and family and my well-wishers. It's going to be a phenomenal Sunday. Hopefully you did something special for your moms or to be moms. Okay, this is my way of expressing. Today we are going to show a quick recipe for mango ice cream. Yes, the Pami brothers is back with mango ice cream recipe. So we're going to show a very easy way of trying something in your home. It's summertime, so let's get started. So the items what you require for the mango ice cream is a pulp of mango, Alfonso or any brand which you like, some vanilla extract, and then condensed milk, and then whipped cream. Okay, now we will start the preparation. Alright, awesome. So mango pulp. So mango pulp is, what we need to do is make sure that it is ground into a nice and fine, that texturous juice kind of a thing. So that's what we're going to do. And that's what Ninja blender. I'm going to use the professional Ninja blender, which will be helpful. So let's do that. Okay, I'm going to empty all the mango pulp inside this. Okay, this is good size. At least gives 4 or 5 different servings of ice cream, I think. I know everybody is already excited about the ice cream, but a few more steps. So once we empty all those things inside, and then we're going to just blend it. Hey folks, so we have a couple of more people who are my helpers for the ice cream preparation today. And here is
Asiya.
Okay, and this is
Amalia.
Great. So both of them are going to help me with the preparation for mango ice cream, and we are going to add heavy whipping cream. How many cups?
2 cups.
Okay, thank you, Ashia. And Amulya, how much condensed milk do we need?
1 cup.
Okay, that's what we are going to do. We're going to pour the 1 cup of condensed milk into this. Ashia, how many cups again of this?
2 cups.
Okay, thank you. Oh, look at that. It's already looking like ice cream, guys.
Yummy. Oh, right.
Guess what? Till the project is over, we cannot know the end result. So we are just in the middle of the execution phase. And for those of you who want the ice cream to be a little bit more tastier, we have a ratio for every 1 cup of whipped cream or cream what we're adding, it's 1 spoon of sugar. So Amulya, that makes it how many spoons of sugar?
2.
Okay, 2 spoons of sugar it is. 1 and then 2 spoons of sugar. I think that's plenty. Last but not the least, a little bit of vanilla extract. Makes it look yummy and tasty. I think that's good. Alright, now it's beautifully blended. The smell is just unbelievable, intoxicating, but we are going to make it empty by pouring it into the bowl, and then we are going to freeze it for 7 hours. Oh, look at that. It's just amazing. It just comes out like real ice cream, guys. That's it. It's very easy to make mango ice cream, folks. So hopefully you will practice in your home. It's very easy to do. Doesn't take a lot of time, and hopefully you'll be able to surprise your mom or anyone for the special Mother's Day. So, and the end result will look something like this. Hope it looks the same for you folks also. And let's see how it is. We're going to try taking some in a small bowl. Okay, and the end result.
Yummy, delicious.
Okay, looks like it's a pass.